Hello, King. Welcome back. Hello, King. Welcome back. This is the question you are having your difficulty in. Okay, King. Can you please give me 1 minute so that I can go through the question? Okay. King, you have to remember one thing, that always remember this thing. What is this thing is, the question is asking here that is the reactant mass is equal to the mass of the product. Okay, so answer will be, always remember this, like never get confused to this, that reactant mass is always equal to product mass. Okay, then only it will be called a balanced equation. This happens only in balanced equation. Okay, and how will we find that it is a balanced equation or not? How will we find this, that the equation is balanced or not? For this, we need to see that the number of elements present on the LHS is equal to number of elements present on the RHS. Okay, so in this the question is 2H2O will give you 2H2 plus O2, right? So 2H2O will give you 2H2 plus O2. Okay, so this is basically a decomposition reaction. The reactant is splitting down into two. Okay, so can you please tell me how much in this two elements are present in LHS? Let me mark it with LHS and RHS. Okay, in LHS, two elements are present. The elements are hydrogen and oxygen. Am I right? Any other element can you tell me in LHS? Can you tell me any other element present in the LHS? Hydrogen and oxygen is only present, right? Yeah. So tell me how many number of hydrogen is present. So you can tell me like this. If this 2 is written on the outer side, it means it is getting multiplied with both of the numbers. Okay. Like to hydrogen also and to oxygen also. Okay. And since hydrogen is also having a 2 with it, so this 2 gets multiplied with the 2 present over here. So it will become 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. Did you understood what I just said? Okay. Now can you please tell me how many oxygens are present? No, not 0. This 2 is there, na? This 2 is getting multiplied with the oxygen as well. So there are how many oxygen present? Very good, excellent, outstanding. 2, correct. So here now comes to the RHS portion. Here also, are you able to see two elements only that are hydrogen and oxygen? This is hydrogen, this is oxygen. Any other element are you able to see? Okay, so nice. So can you please tell me how many hydrogen are you able to see? The number of hydrogen. Very good, very nice, outstanding. And how many number of oxygen are you able to see? Very good, very good. So, can you tell me that the number of hydrogen present over here is equal to number of hydrogen present over here?
is.
The number of oxygen present over here is equal to the number of oxygen present over here.
Mm-hmm.
Then it is a balanced equation. Okay. Since it is a balanced equation, I have already told you, in the balanced equation, the reactant mass is equal to the mass of the product. So, the option will be, can you please mark the option for me, King?
Is D.
Outstanding, King. Great. Did you got the concept, King? Just
Mm-hmm.
remember that in the balanced equation, the reactant mass is equal to the mass of the product. You have to see either the number of elements present over in left hand side is equal to the number of elements present on the right hand side, and if it is there, then it is a balanced equation and mass of the reactant is equal to the mass of the product. And if it is not there, then you have to count the number of elements present over in the left hand side and the number of elements present on the right hand side, and whichever side the elements are present more, the reactant mass will be more or the product mass will be more. Got the point?
Mm-hmm.
Clear to you completely? Any doubt, anything which you are not able to understand, anything you are lacking in?
It's clear to me.
You understood?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's great then. Okay, King. Any other question you are having a query in?
I have one more.
One more question?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you are able to understand the question with me, the previous one, like this one, then you can send it to me that question as well, or else you can connect to any other tutor you want.
Alright.
Are you sending me the question, King? Are you sending me the question, King?
I'm sending it right now.
Okay.